Today we're gonna be making a special ingredient with baking powder and salt, and we're gonna put it in here. And we're gonna spray it. And then we'll put the salt. I think that baking powder. So we're much ready to see. So I put the and that's enough. And then I don't get a spoon. So you see when I'm mixing it? That's okay, that's not enough. That's enough. So let's cover it up because I put the whole thing. My dad told me to put it.
Not like spray all the like this.
Damn, Dad, this will make them grow wonder when we prune them.
Yeah, what do you think about it? You think it's gonna be so like you?
Yes.
You want it to grow big?
Yes. Right. Where this tiny, I want it to grow where this tiny does grow like bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. And then we don't pick it up.
And then we're gonna eat it?
Yes.
You excited?
Yeah.
What you learned so far?
So I learned by you because we plant the plant together.
Okay, we plant it together.
Yeah.
Okay. So now we're gonna go ahead and try to see if we get more flowers. Okay.
Okay.